back to the channel, everyone. Today we are headed into the mountains of Southern Albania to check out the luxury hotel Ftohte Tepelene and go to Vjosa Waterfalls and generally see where the weekend takes us. We have driven by this hotel a few times and always wanted to stay because it just looks so nice. So for my birthday, we decided to book a room. This is in no way sponsored, by the way, and we paid full price, which at the time was about 150 euros per night for a junior suite in the off-season. The hotel is built where a spring runs down the mountain, so that's the theme for the whole thing. It's all about water and nature. There is a cafe here on the main level and a restaurant one level down, so you don't need to be a guest to enjoy the atmosphere. We decided to start our stay with a couple of cappuccinos and a hot chocolate. The hotel is pretty new, so it's very modern inside, but the floor-to-ceiling windows steal the show. There's a little coffee station in the room. And we had a king-size bed and a single sofa bed. The finishes in the bathroom were really nice, and actually the hair products were pretty good, which is saying something for hotel shampoo and conditioner. My only complaint is that the robes were petite grandma sized. For the first day and a half, the river was this beautiful blue color. And that's how it normally is, but the second day it had rained and rained and rained. So you'll see in a minute that it got pretty big and brown. After we got up and chose from the breakfast menu, which we had in our room, we decided to go for a little drive. One of the other places that we've driven by before and we always wanted to stop at is Vjosa Waterfalls. It's not really a going for a walk kind of day, so we decided to have lunch at Bar Restaurant River. And they had a fire going. The menu was all in Albanian, but menu Albanian just happens to be what we speak, so we were super proud of ourselves. No Google Translate needed. We had chicken with fries, and they served us homemade bread. Everywhere you go, there is toilet paper. Everywhere you go, people have weed. It's nasty. Please stop doing that. It's gross. Seriously, this is not a toilet. Please stop. Next, we decided to take a little drive to Permet. Come on, sheeps.
Look at all that. Look at all them.
I know.
Right now.
Yeah. We've been here before and it was still raining, so we just took a short little walk around. Permet is best known for its natural hot springs, but we have also been there before and it was too cold for that. On the way back to the hotel, we saw this Byzantine-style church. This is the Church of St. Mary, which was built in 1460, but there has been a church on this site since the 6th century.
What is your shaped as, Dad?
When we got back to the hotel, we decided to try one of their fancy-looking desserts at the cafe.
Welcome back to today's video. Is this a strawberry or is it cake? It is cake!
We had dinner at the hotel restaurant both days that we stayed here. The first day we had soup, grilled shrimp, and a couple different kinds of stuffed pasta. The second day we had more soup, different pasta, wild boar salami, a salad, and some kind of beef dish. We really liked the restaurant because there were different kinds of food to try. outside of the usual grilled fish, lamb, spaghetti, and pizza options that you will find in most of southern Albania. But not everything was available either. They also had live music on the second night. On our final morning, we woke up nice and slow and we went to have breakfast in the restaurant. The views from the restaurant in the daytime are just as good as from the hotel rooms. The mountains are so beautiful and you really feel like you're in the middle of the woods somewhere. Before we left, we took a walk in the hotel gardens down to the river. Despite all the rain, we really enjoyed this trip. If you wanted to escape the summer crowds, a visit to Ftohte Tepelene with side trips to Vjosa Waterfalls and the hot springs of Permet would be the perfect way to do that. We will definitely come back to the hotel again. It was super luxurious and the kind of place that would be out of our price range in most other countries. We travel full time and post a new video every single week. Please subscribe and give us a comment and a like below. Mwah! See you in the next one.